This is the perfect Christmas gift this year, the Jolie Showerhead. You guys know I recommend this. It's helped me out a lot. I used to have really bad eczema on the back of my neck, and since I switched to the Jolie Showerhead, the filtered showerhead, within a week, my eczema was cleared up. So this is so healthy for your hair and skin. There's no reason not to get it. Yeah, it could be a little pricey, but it definitely performs better than the competitors out there. But I would hurry up and get this now. Get it for this Christmas. It's a gift for both you and your partner. So you can't really lose. It's a win-win. But I want to tell you guys one thing right now. Yes, it is made in China. Designed here in the United States, but made in China. Well, if Trump's tariffs go through, this is going to go up in cost for sure. I could almost guarantee it. So get it now while it's at a low price of $165. And if you have coupons, use those, but get it now before it goes up. You can get the Jolie through one of my affiliate links in the description of this video. There's a link to Jolie's site, which is a Shopify site, and then there's a link to buy it through Amazon. It comes in several different colors, so it should match any bathroom design you have. Everything in my bathroom is brushed nickel. I think Jolie calls it brushed steel. Now, let's go over how easy it is to change the Jolie shower filter. The one thing I really love about Jolie too is they include their own tools, so you can easily remove the shower head. But it's so easy to just change this filter. You just twist the back off, like this, pop it off, remove the filter, okay? Then you just take the tabs off here, the stickers off, drop it in, and you just screw it back on, and that's it. You're done. It's that easy. And I'll just go put this back on, and we're ready to go. Another 3 months.